Signs that forks are failing. Signs that the forks in a car's suspension system are failing can vary depending on the type of problem they are experiencing. If you notice any of these signs, it is important that you take your car to a specialized workshop as soon as possible so that a professional can check the suspension and make the necessary repairs. Ignoring suspension problems can affect the safety and performance of your vehicle. Some of the most common signs include: 1. Noises coming from the suspension. If the forks are failing, you may hear knocking or creaking noises coming from the car's suspension. These noises are usually more noticeable when turning or going over potholes. 2. Steering wheel vibrations. Defective forks can cause steering wheel vibrations when driving at high speeds. These vibrations may indicate that the suspension is not working properly. 3. Steering instability. If the suspension system forks are failing, the car may feel unstable when driving, especially when cornering or making sudden maneuvers. This can be dangerous as it affects the driver's ability to control the vehicle. 4. Uneven tire wear. A common symptom of suspension problems is uneven tire wear patterns. If you notice that your tires are wearing unevenly, the suspension system forks may be contributing to this problem. 5. Excessive bounce. If when you press the car's fender it bounces more than normal when you release it, it may be an indication that the suspension system forks are not working correctly. In addition to these signs, it's important to pay attention to any sudden changes in the way the car handles or any other unusual behavior. Here are some other signs to consider. 6. Excessive lean when braking. If you notice that the car leans excessively forward when braking, it could be an indication of problems with the front suspension. This can be especially evident when braking hard. 7. Loss of cornering stability. If you feel like the car is leaning too much or losing stability when cornering, this could be a sign that the suspension forks are not doing their job properly, which can affect controllability of the vehicle under demanding driving conditions. 8. Uneven car posture. If you notice that the car leans to one side when parked on flat ground, even when the weight in the vehicle is evenly distributed, there may be a problem with the suspension. These signs may vary depending on the design and specific configuration of each car's suspension system. It is important to seek the advice of a qualified mechanic to diagnose and fix any suspension problems. The suspension is a critical component for vehicle safety and performance, so it is crucial to keep it in good condition.